A digitally controlled robotic arm replicates mechanical blueprints onto paper using a ballpoint pen. Its linear rail and servo-driven holder ensure precise line work, ideal for educational or prototype drafting. Workers at the factory conduct quality control by flight testing toy drones using remote controllers, verifying stable operation before packaging. Shells and controller components are organized across the table, indicating this is a final functional inspection stage in the assembly line. A motorized ball valve with electric actuation ensures high flow, low loss control in industrial systems. An electric demolition hammer is employed to swiftly dislodge residual metal washers from a perforated sheet after machining. The chisel bit and rapid vibrations provide efficient cleanup in mass production workflows. This self-rotating wheel uses weighted glass vials as counterweights, shifting torque as it tilts to maintain continuous motion. It illustrates a classic perpetual motion concept commonly used for educational or visual demonstration. A glass bag is hand-blown using traditional glass-blowing techniques, where a metal mesh mold is employed to imprint uniform bubble textures onto the surface. The piece is then reheated to stabilize the shape and a handle is formed at the top. The process concludes as the finished bag is inspected and carried out of the workshop. CNC laser cutting creates a sharp, symmetrical circular pattern on the metal sheet. A craftsman hammers the surface to check flatness and correct minor imperfections for precision. Hydro dipping uses a solvent-activated film on water to form a floating ink layer. The object is dipped slowly, creating a glossy faux carbon finish that wraps complex shapes with precision. Numbered metal plates are welded, polished, and wiped to create a seamless, mirror-finished deer sculpture. Compressed air ignites a spark device to activate a light tool with an electronic trigger. The Vivid Pill Counter uses a camera and computer vision to detect capsules on a contrast tray and display a live count. Pharmacists can shake to adjust placement, then press batch to confirm with high speed and accuracy. Soft clay is hand-pressed into molds, then carefully unmolded and laid out to dry, ensuring uniform tile shape. The 180-degree twist-lock spigot enables full control of liquid flow with a single-hand motion. Its nozzle is tightly fitted to the bottle opening, ensuring stable alignment and preventing spills during dispensing. This design promotes clean, efficient, and user-friendly operation in semi-manual refill systems. A CNC router with a round-end milling bit sculpts raised patterns on the wood surface, forming smooth contours and detailed depth variations. The cutting process is fully automated, enabling high precision across each carved layer. The Silicon Blade mop has a foldable head and sliding wringer for hands-free cleaning, efficiently removing liquid from wood or tile floors. A bamboo bow loosens cotton into soft strands, which are hand-spun into yarn using a wooden spinning wheel. Watch the unboxing of a vacuum-packed modular mattress that expands into shape and transforms into a sofa or bed. Compact, space-saving, and easy to set up. A manual press compacts wet sawdust into briquettes by squeezing out water through a perforated mold. Its simple DIY design uses repurposed materials to produce dense fuel blocks. Paper towels gently lift debris from oil surface, clarifying it for reuse without disturbing settled sediment. Using a Shockey machine, the operator sews pink tulle ruffles onto yellow mesh, manually folding pleats with precise coordination. The chef uses a precision slicing knife to cut ripe avocados into uniformly thin slices with speed and accuracy. The cutting process is performed in a continuous, consistent motion, producing neat rows of slices suitable for sushi or decorative plating. Manual slicing technique is optimized through stable grip and even hand pressure. Lubricant is injected with a syringe between the grip and handlebar to reduce friction. This allows easy, damage-free grip removal. A pink resin block is immersed in a matching liquid to examine its clarity and optical effect.
Okay, let's see here. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
A robotic arm operates 3 chainsaws mounted on a rigid frame, moving them in perfect synchronization. This setup highlights advanced motion simulation and precise control capabilities in industrial automation. The automated line fills, caps, and preps olive jars with precise positioning for fast, consistent production. A worker uses a disc cutter to trace a circular groove into the tile surface, then taps it out to remove the core. This technique allows precise hole cutting without requiring a dedicated drill bit. Steady control during cutting is essential to prevent cracking beyond the intended boundary. A semi-electric hydraulic stacker lowers a pallet of bottled water from the conveyor to the ground. Operated via handheld controls, it enables precise and efficient movement of heavy loads in warehouse environments. A heat press prints floral designs on plastic containers for durable packaging. Resin and shimmering flakes blend into a fluid, meditative process that turns simple materials into elegant, gem-like art. Soft edges and metallic textures evoke a sense of calm and refined beauty. A multi-needle sewing system uses synchronized stitching from multiple spools to produce precise seams on denim for high-volume production.